this tutorial, I'll be showing you guys how to pin a post on your Facebook page or account. So let's get into it. Okay, the first thing is that you simply need to open your Facebook account. Once you're there, simply click on your profile. So after which you simply need to choose the post in which you want to pin. So we're going to choose it. Okay, let's say this video. So we are going to click on these three dots up here. After which you are going to see what pin post. So guys, as you can see, that's actually the way you pin a post on your Facebook page or account. It's going to show on your future manager. So as you can see, when someone open your Facebook page or account, that's what they are going to see. That's the first thing they are going to see. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to leave your comments in the comment section below. If you face any difficulty doing this, we love you all. See you in our next tutorial. Peace out.